today we're playing in an awesome game of Kick the Can, and we have 4 cameras set up. So let's get into the video.
Yeah. They'll never lock me up. They'll never lock me up. Yeah. Got a little job, but it ain't my speed. Run me down when my walk is free. They'll never lock me up. No. They'll never lock me up. Yeah. I guess I started with my father working at his pizza parlor, washing dishes, folding boxes, and taking people's orders. Back when all the phones recorded, you know, when there's a storm and begging parents for some Jordans on the way with short the mortgage before 6th grade. They had me in the sticks, throwing paper on the steps of the rich. Every step I was taking felt like less than an inch, so I quit and stayed with Pops mowing lawn since the parlor had gone out of business. And this was just the way he moved on. Oh, every day he would wake with a yawn that I knew was way different. Got a little time, but it ain't my speed. Run me down.
Hot shot, agua! No, I got.
No, they'll never lock me up.
Over here!
A little time, but it ain't my speed. Run me down when my walk is free. They'll never lock me up.
No, block it! I got it!
To be seen, embarrassed to care, I was scared, unaware of my dreams, just an heir to what my parents had seen, how unfair it all seems, calling it throat was the barrio joke, had 3 flowers a comb and some dollar store loaves, iron your rags, keep your eye in the sack, a disguise for those admired but never fired a mag, I grew tired of that, I grew eyes on my back, they drew iron when I drew rhymes, now who's firing back, told myself keep your mind in them raps, no well, it's chest, Denzel in distress is for the damsel, lying on track 719, my spring's training days, clever with rhymes, I ain't explaining a thing, though I ain't claiming the bang, I say the criminal slang, I speak better with signs and subliminal hymnals, lines look minimal until I paint a king, be a ride, be a mind. When my walk is free, they'll never lock me up, no, they'll never lock me up, yeah. I guess you gotta work just as work.